I shall go and come. My journey shall be smooth. I shall go and come. My journey shall be smooth. You can never stop me. My journey shall be smooth. You can never stop me. Let what I do give me happiness that has no bounds. Let it upset my enemies. Those who say I will not see with my eyes, let them lose their own.
Mama.
Adam.
Mama. I knew you would visit me soon.
Mama, how are you?
I need not ask. You look younger by the day. So how is work? Work is perfect. And they just promoted me. I'm not surprised. I told you it will happen, didn't I? Yes, you did, Mama. But that's not all. Tell me. One of the prominent young men in my company wants to marry me. Wants to marry you? Yes. Wants to marry you? Yes. Wants... Who is this young man? His name is Obinna. And he's from Akokwa. Akokwa? Yes, Mama. He's one of the prominent young men in my company. The company actually gave him a scholarship to go to Canada and study. And he wants to marry me before he goes. Hey! Hey! This young man, he must have a bright future. Mama. Bright future. His future is extremely bright. He's dazzling like a diamond. I can't wait to be his wife, Mama. I can't wait. Hey, so when is he coming to see us? I'm supposed to go and see his mother tomorrow. His mother is still alive? Yes. And from what I hear, they say she's a good woman. Good woman. Come and see what I got you, Mama. Let's go inside. Bring it, let me help. Mama, let me carry it. Happy Kambulu. Okay. Happy Kambulu. I want you to tell me everything about this man. Mama, I've told you all there is to tell. I want to hear everything. Everything. I told you he's from Akokwa. Okay. Do you have his picture? Can I see him? I think I have one of Obina's picture in my box. Good. Go and bring it. I want to see him. Okay. Isn't he handsome? He's handsome. Odegunwoke. That is Obinna. I brought his picture so we could look into his future. What do we have to do with his future if it is bright? My daughter deserves a brighter future. If you do this for me, I will reward you very well. He will be a great man. Oh. I can see him traveling overseas. Yes. If he comes back, he will become a big shareholder in his company.
My daughter deserves a very good position in that company now.
What exactly are you saying?
I told you before. I want his destiny turned into Ijere's and Ijere's into his. How you think, Kubo?
What will be my reward?
Don't worry. I won't forget it when the honeycomb delivers sweet sauce. We are going to enjoy it together. I can eat it, uncle.
Uima, I will hold you by your words.
Nsubadiro, eh? Thank you.
I will tell you what to do tonight. And that will mark the beginning of everything you want.
Thank you. Dalo. Kambiana Bazia.
Go well.
Dalo. Hey, look what's wrong.
I didn't even know you went out.
Adam,
Mama.
I went to clear the barn for a big harvest.
You went to clear the barn for a big harvest?
Mm-hmm.
I don't understand.
You won't understand now, but you will understand later.
Nemo!
And you will thank me when the time comes.
Are you serious, Mama?
Yes.
I can't wait to thank you.
Oh yeah,
Diego.
Oh yeah, Diego.
What is it?
Oh yeah, Diego. Oh yeah, Diego.
Nam, you said she works in the same place with you.
Exactly, Mama. Don't worry. You are going to like her.
Eh.
No doubt. You're sure going to like her.
My son, why not wait when you come back from Obodoyibo?
Mbano, Mama. There's no need for that. Other men will take her away from me before I return. So, let me do the needful. No need for procrastination.
Hey, she must be a very beautiful woman.
Ha, Mama, Ayaki Jiwanyeku. She is so beautiful. She's got a good heart.
Hey.
Don't worry, Mama. You will love her. Not even liking. You will love her when you see her.
I can't wait to see her.
Don't worry. She's going to be here tomorrow. And from there, we'll go see her people straight up.
Tomorrow, Nkechi?
Nkechi, Nkechi, Mama.
In that case, you have to let your uncle know about her.
Yes.
You know it's important.
I will go see Uncle tomorrow then. I will go see him tomorrow, yeah.
Do you need some more?
Mama, I'm okay with this one.
Nyanka Yedri.
For Mama the Mama. Ne Mama.
Let me go and wash the dish. All right. fast. Take it off. Take it off.
What do you say his name is again? Obinna. Obinna. Good. Is something wrong? Go there and stand. Carry the calabash. Close your eyes.
Guess. I have a surprise for you.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. What could that be? Fresh meat?
Yes, it's for you.
Or you want Mama to prepare it?
No. I want you to eat it.
To eat it?
Yes.
My love is not cooked.
With love, you can eat it. Go on. Bite. Smile. Smile, Obin.
Eating raw meat. Raw meat. Jerry. Mama, why are you doing this? He will love you unimaginably. But I told you he loves me a lot. This time, he will love even your footstep. Whatever you ask him to do, he will do it.
I hope nothing goes wrong. I don't want this one to be like Ugo's case.
My child, Ugo was a mistake.
Uche?
What are you doing?
Keeping you clean for our wedding.
But I just shaved a few days ago.
I know. Well, I'm shaving you again. Lie down.
Okay. I don't think I have hairs there, though.
Well, you do.
Okay.
What is going on here? And who are you?
Oh, Mama. She's keeping me clean for our wedding.
She's keeping you clean for your wedding. Must still be here. Why not do that inside? Eh?
But Mama, there's nothing wrong with her shaving me here. It's our home.
Lie down.
My love. My love,
listen. Obinna! 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 Mna boy na chiatazu. Na chiatazu Obinna.
Obi, the way you talk about this girl, she must really be a good girl.
Good girl is understatement. This girl is everything.
Eh?
She's everything.
Hey.
As you can see, the young man is in love here.
Hey, love, one ting. Anyways, call me whenever she's around so that I can come and see her. Let me know if she's actually the good girl that you preach.
All right. It's all right. I'll call you.
Okay.
You sit yourself.
Let me start going before my father starts looking for me.
Okay.
I'll come back later. Call me, oh.
All right, sure.
Mama! Mama, I've gone, oh.
My regards to Uncle.
Okay.
Nna, I want to go and roast yam for you. It's near Mobaka, Mose. You like it?
Mama, have you forgotten I told you Jerry is coming to see you today? So I don't think there is need for yam and obaka. I think you should prepare something like rice or even a salad super favorite.
Old age. Okwaranka. It's okay. Let me go to the market and buy meat. Eh?
Mama, you get Jecha market.
Get your one salad. Let me prepare salad. Eh? Bukunatia. She will like it. Oh?
Okay, Mama. We need to be fast, eh? Okay, she's coming, no. All right.
Mama, I'm ready.
Are you ready?
Yes, very ready. Wish me luck.
I don't think you're ready.
Why?
You have to be fully prepared.
Mama, I'm running late.
Come and sit down.
Last time you gave me that thing, when his mother started praying, I mean Ugo's mother, I fainted and they said I was possessed. That was how I lost him, remember?
This time, this one will work. Remember the last one? His mother said Ugo was younger than you are. Remember? I have cleansed you. Go and conquer.
Thank you, Mama.
Madam.
Thank you.
Okay. Go. Bye-bye. Ijoma. Joe for my oh.
Okay, Mama.
Adamo. It's recording. Just go and snuggle him.
Obi.
Oh, my love. Oh, my love. I've been waiting for you.
Well, I'm here. No, stop.
You're looking flawless. Wait a minute, let me tell Mama.
Okay.
Mama? 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 She's here.
Good afternoon, Mama.
Stop it! I said you should stop. Okay. And who are you, Seth? Unikebo?
I just said she's keeping me clean from the wedding. My love. My love, listen.
Obinna! 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 Mna kwa inachiatasu! Nachiatasu Obinna! Welcome. Welcome, my daughter.
Thank you, Mama.
How are you and your people?
My mother, she sends her regards. I have a hug, Mama.
Oh. Don't worry. Mama prepared a very delicious nsala soup. You need to try it.
Really? I
swear that.
can't wait to taste your food.
Out here, waiting for my queen to come.
Thank you. Thank you.
I keep wondering what's keeping her, but I'm glad she's here.
Oh.
So how is Mama?
Fine.
Okay. Always looking good and
Stop.
flawless. I'm not stopping. Romantic.
Oh, Mama.
You're welcome, my daughter. What is your name?
Ijere.
Chinyere. That thing, who gave it to you?
Oh, my mother did. It's beautiful, isn't it?
Anything beautiful is beautiful. What is the name?
I don't know.
Mama, come on, you're asking too much questions. She just got here.
It's okay, sweetheart. Don't be jealous. Leave Mama alone.
No, not that I'm jealous, but you know, just taking too much time to serve us with a delicacy. Mama, you have something on the fire. Amen.
Can I see you for 1 minute? Just 1 minute.
Okay, Mama. I'm coming.
He's coming.
No problem, Mama.
Now, 1 minute.
She has a beautiful face.
Thanks. Just like me.
Yes, just like you.
All right, love. Let me quickly see Mama.
Of course, please go.
Okay. I'll be right back, okay? What is it?
Obinna.
Mama.
You see, I was expecting someone younger.
Huh? Oh, Mama, does age really matter in love? I thought what matters is what we feel for each other. That's what counts.
Okay. Anyway, that's by the way. So, tell me, where did you say you meet that girl? Did you see Somalia?
Mama, is there any problems? Because I've told you this before.
Obinna, you've not answered my question. I ask you again, tell me, where did you meet that girl? Can it be Somalia? Or
Mama, you bring down your voice, you're shouting.
I'm not shouting.
Okay, I met the girl in my working place. She's a secretary to my boss. Mama, what happened now?
Okay. So, for how long have you known her?
Ha! Why all these questions? What's happening? Have you met the girl before?
Yes. I've met her before.
Oh, really? Where?
In my dream. And it's not a good one. Mba, broke with watch.
Mama de mama.
Not wrong.
Mama, come on. It's just a dream. Maybe you're thinking about your daughter-in-law lately. You know, her coming over and all of that. That could be the reason. Please, just stop. It's nothing.
Obinna, I wish that what you just said now is true.
How?
I sense something bad lurking. Listen, I saw that girl in my dream shaving your armpit. Now, bab. And you know what that
Mama,
means.
just stop. Stop. Just stop. This is ridiculous. How can someone be shaving my armpits? That's just a dream. What are you saying? From being older than I do to seeing her in your dream to my workplace. I don't understand everything you say. I hope all of this is not to tell me not to marry that girl. Because it won't be possible.
Obinna, it's disheartening that at your age, you cannot perceive evil around you. Oh, Cello, don't tell me that you don't perceive smell of charms around her body.
Mama, stop! What are you saying? Eh? How can you just dislike someone because of a mad dream? From being older than I am to shaving armpits. What are you saying?
Obinna, I do not hate that girl.
Of course you do. Why would you say someone's daughter has got charms? Why would you say it?
Listen, Obinna. Dreams are revelations.
Mama, Biko, spare me that.
You're raising your voice at me. You're shouting.
Mama, excuse me.
Obinna, Chelukai Pussy. Chelukai, Obinna. Hi.
Oh, hey, you're back.
Yeah. I'm sorry for the delay.
It's nothing. Is everything alright?
Yeah, sure. Everything is alright.
What about Mama?
Oh, she's in the kitchen. She's still trying to get the food ready.
Let me join her.
No, you don't have to, my love. You don't have to. Don't worry, just sit right here. The food will be served pretty soon. Okay?
You think she likes me?
Of course. I mean, which sane mother-in-law would not like a beautiful daughter-in-law like you?
You sure? No. You sure know how to tease a girl.
Just like I know the 3 T's.
What are 3 T's?
Teasing, talking,
touching. You are crazy. Get away.
I'm not going anywhere.
I love you.
love you more than you do. Don't worry. Honestly, Mama, I just don't like what you did today. That was ridiculous. Eh? I understand that some mothers get jealous when their son is about to get married. But yours was just overboard. How could you just dislike someone because you saw her in your dreams? Who does that?
Obinna. Ask her where she got that talisman on her neck from.
What's wrong with my mother? So you also saw the talisman in your dreams? Is that what you're trying to say now?
Obinna, one day you're not going to make jest of this day. You may have a rethink about marrying that girl. Yes.
Well, Mama, it is late already because I am going to Uzozie's house right away to discuss about my marriage plans with Chinyere.
Chinyere? What a name.
Of course. It's a beautiful name. You said it. What is beautiful is beautiful. You said that, Mama. And I will also tell Uzozie that my mother doesn't want me getting married to my dream girl.
Obinna, my dream has never been in vain.
Mama, please keep your dreams to yourself.
Obinna, you said you want us to go and do the marriage right this weekend.
Exactly, Uncle.
How much do you know about this girl?
2 years now. She's my colleague in my workplace.
Oh, I see.
And besides, Uncle, I will be traveling to Canada very soon. Just very, very soon for a year program. So I want to do the necessary thing now to enable me to concentrate when I get there. Yes, Uncle. Mama, can you honestly tell me why you're doing this? Why have you decided to ruin my happiness?
Obinna, I have said what I have to say as your mother, and I am not ready to change my mind. You should be grateful that God revealed something like us in the dream.
How can God reveal my unhappiness to you? How's that possible? God wants me to be happy.
Obinna, I am going to Mama Nkechi's house to get something. If I were you, I would go inside, relax, rest, and think like a man. You know, good?
What is wrong with my mother? Eh? Or is this old age?
I don't understand. Did you see any mark on her body?
I saw her in my dream a day before she visited. And in that dream, she was shaving up Obinna's armpits. And not just that, the very day she came to the house, there was this smell of charms around her.
You mean you saw her in the dream a night before she came?
Yes.
Have you met her before?
I have not. That is the problem. That's why I'm worried. Because I've not met her before.
Hey, I know it is a bad omen shaving a man's hair in the dream. But Obinna said he knows her very well. They work in the same place.
Obrodi Sonkao, that very day she came to the house, she was wearing Ntakile's talisman around her neck.
Ntakile.
And
can you recognize one if you see?
Have you forgotten? The day your wife was confessing about their ordeal, she said that it was that untakele that they use in manipulating people.
Hey, that means if what you saw is real, then there is trouble. We have to talk to Obina. Okay. Hi. Mban.
Hey.
Papa, what Mama Obina said, it is true.
Yes, Papa. There's something fetish about that lady.
In that case, what baffles me most is that she said she saw her with a symbol of witchery. Could that be true?
It could be true. You know, Mama Obina does not lie. Do you know she said she saw that lady shaving Obina's armpits in her dream? Papa, that's not ordinary. That's a revelation now. Do you need somebody to tell you that? No, that lady is fetish.
Well, I need to talk to Obina.
Then you have to do it very fast. We don't have time. We can't allow the poor boy to take a wrong decision now. No, we can't allow that to Papa.
Okay, I have heard you. Meanwhile, go and check the food you left on fire.
Papa, I've removed it already. It's down already.
Okay, go and get me some to eat.
Okay.
Who is in this house? Oh, yeah, Nonso.
Uncle, I was even coming to your place. You know we forgot to talk about palm wine.
Obina,
Uncle,
we need to talk. Let's go.
no problem.
No problem. Let's see. No problem. Obina, we need to ask questions about the girl you want to marry.
Which questions again? You've asked me before, I've explained. What do you mean questions?
Obina, I mean we need to know where she comes from, if they are clean, or if they have madness, a cause, epilepsy in their family.
Oh, I see. My mother has spoken to you, right? She has spoken to you about her dreams. But what I didn't believe is that you of all people that you're going to believe her. How can you believe such a fairy tale, Uncle? How?
Obina, we wouldn't want any bad thing to happen to you. I know your mother. She's not the type that will cook up such story.
It's alright, Uncle. But it will interest you to know that it is too late. Don't worry, don't follow me. No, it's okay. I'll just go out there and pay some men to follow me to my in-laws' place. That's all. Don't follow me. Believe my mother.
Ijirekwan, what a name. Eh? What kind of name is that? Ebekon Ejekwan. Obina, listen to me. I can only follow you if you ask questions about their family. And if they are clean.
What do you mean if they are clean? Eh? If they are clean, how? Is our own family clean? Uncle? Which family is even clean in this world? No family is clean. All the families you're seeing, they've got issues. Both the rich and the poor. What do you mean clean?
Obina, I am not here to exchange words with you. I have done what I needed to do as your father's surviving brother.
It's okay.
No
problem. Can you imagine? Every time Mama will just be going around telling people. I just don't know why Mama is doing that. I just can't explain. And when did my mother become Joseph the Dreamer? That me, Obina, I don't know of. My mother is fond of dreaming. She can dream anyhow. We all know that, Uncle.
Obina, if you have not heard, we have the gift of saying and soothsaying in our family. When your mother was young, she saw in her dream that my wife had twins, and it came to pass.
Very good. But why didn't she dream on time and tell me not to marry this girl? After I have fallen in love with her and we've agreed to marry, then she's now coming up with her dreams. Who does that? Will you be happy if someone do that to your own daughter? Eh? After promising her marriage, then all of a sudden he will come up to tell her it's not possible because of dreams.
What a little child cannot see while sitting on top of the Iroko, an elder will see it even while sitting on a dwarf seat.
Honestly, I don't know why you people love this adage very well. Every time when an elder sits, what is seen in Iroko?
Keep quiet, Obina. I am still talking. What your mother is saying is simple, and I am in total support of it. I want you to go and ask questions about the family, about the young lady you want to marry, because your mother saw some evil signs.
Uncle, just stop. Just stop. There is nothing to ask. There is absolutely nothing to ask. As a matter of fact, I've made up my mind. I am going for her marriage right in the next few days. In the next few days, though, if you like, don't accompany me. No problem. Take the wine I brought you.
Your wine. Do not say I did not want you. Makano bako boko bulu. Okwanunte chiria.
Okay, you don't want the wine.
I don't need it.
You don't need the wine.
Yes.
Uncle, what's going on?
Go with it.
Why are you people frustrating my life? Eh? Is it now a crime to get married? Eh? Is it now a crime to get married? Why are you people frustrating me? From my mother to even you I trusted. I should go with my drink. Okay, I know what to do. I know what to do.
If you ask me, I would advise you to do as your mother said.
I'm sorry, you are now one of them.
Mbano, this is not being one of them.
No, that is what it is.
No.
You are now one of them.
Mbano. Okay, let me ask you. That time that you wanted to travel with Ekene to Malaysia, when your mother advised you against it, didn't the plane crash?
Yes.
Okay.
True. God save me.
Okay. Last year when I wanted to get married, it was your mother that saved me. Yes. When that stupid, what was that boy now? Kafaya? Polycarp.
Yes.
It was your mother that told me she saw him in a dream and warned me against him. I accepted. Do you know what happened?
Of course I know the story. I know the story, Eminem. What are you saying? Polycarp was a thief.
Yeah.
Polycarp was street cred. How can you compare Polycarp to Ijere? What are you saying?
Nobody's comparing them. I'm not saying she's a thief.
So why are you calling Polycarp and Ijere? How does that relate?
Obina, ask yourself some questions. Say the truth. Tell me the truth. Have you not had any dream about that girl? Say the truth. No, let's be sincere here. Leave sentiment aside. Say the truth. You have? You see?
I mean, I'm trying to understand where the dream talk is going to. Of course, every man dreams of the woman he loves. It's normal. And I've been dreaming of her, yes. What about it?
Obina, we love you. We cannot lie to you.
And I love you people too. And I cannot lie to you. Let me ask you, Eminem. Will you be the one to live with her when I marry her?
Yeah. Because I'm tired of talking, I beg. It seems you're under a spell. What is it now?
Did you just say I'm under a spell? Eminem, did you just say I'm under a spell?
Yeah. Please, I'm going home. I beg. I just pray you come back to your senses because this is not the Obina I know. I just hope you come back to your senses someday.
Just stop.
My love, something is bothering you, right?
Yeah.
What is it?
I'm just scared. Just scared.
Scared of what?
I'm just scared. I mean, I'll be leaving this country soon. And I'm staying for the whole year. I mean...
I get you now. Scared that you're going to travel and someone else will come and marry me.
Of course.
It shouldn't be. We've talked about this before. After our marriage, I'm your wife forever. I'll wait. And I'll be good. I promise. Besides, when are you coming to see my people?
I'm coming on Saturday.
My mom really wants to meet you.
Of course. In that case, I'm coming tomorrow to see her then.
Awesome. So, can we go and swim now?
Yeah, but then my village people are not so, keen with strangers.
Where's that? You stand there and watch me swim. I mean, big.
Okay.
Are you alright?
We said that together. Yeah, I'm alright. I'm alright now. I'm okay.
Glad you are. Let's go.
Okay.
I feel he's hiding something from me. My mind tells me his mother does not like
me. Whether his mother likes you or not, Obinna is yours. I have looked into his future. He's a great man, and we will never allow him to slip away. Never.
Nem, whatever it is you intend to do, you have to do fast.
Don't you trust your mother again?
I trust you, but I'm worried.
My dear, you don't have to be worried. Everything will work out the way you envision it on your head.
Nemo! Adamoma! Nem, don't you think you should also do something about his mother?
Yeah. When I said everything will work out the way you envision it on your head, you think I was joking? I wasn't joking.
Oh.
You see, this battle is not yours. It's mine.
Nemo! Nem, you are equal to 2 men.
Hey, you can say that again. You see Obinna and his parents, they won't even know when they get here on Saturday.
Now I can eat because I'm hungry.
Adamo, who go bend your food? I will get you your food.
Okay.
Hey, no, who died there? Hey, I'm not the bad.
Useless! Useless! Useless, useless, useless. Useless. Thank God you be useless. Thank God you be useless. Hey, useless. Useless. Thank God you be 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 useless. You be useless.
She's inside. Call. Mama! Hey!
Mama.
Is this Obinna? Yes, this is Obinna. Yeah. Hey, now. How is your mom?
She's fine. She's fine.
Hey.
She's well, Mama.
You're welcome. Oh, what are you?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Come inside. Let's get inside.
No. I'm okay here, Mama. I'm very okay.
Are you sure?
Yes, my love. The heat is much, so I'll...
Mama, get him sit down. Okay.
Mama.
No.
Fine, Mama.
Hey. Sit down, please.
Okay.
Go and get him something. Okay, Mama. Hey, Nna. You're lucky. You're lucky just like my daughter.
Thank you, Mama.
Two of you match each other.
Thank you, Mama. Thank you.
No, let me join her in the kitchen.
Okay.
So we'll get something for
Okay,
you.
okay.
Just make yourself comfortable.
Oh, very okay, Mama.
Ma. You're welcome. Hey.
Beats on the toe. Can you have beats on the toe?
Go and give him water to wash and let me bring the food. Okay.
I wish I can eat good food like this every day I wake up, I'll eat it.
Your wife can always be now.
Oh, why? You see, in that case, I have to be going, I'm coming back with my kingsmen on Saturday. Plenty of them.
Make sure you come early on Saturday.
Very early, very early.
Okay. Just wait, I have something special for you.
Okay.
You really enjoyed the meal that much?
Very well, oh. So this is what you've been enjoying. Jerry, you're not a good person. You're not a good person.
You see this snail? Specially for you.
Hey, yeah. Oh, Mama, I don't eat snail, oh.
No, you will eat this one. When you get home,
tell your mother to prepare this snail for you with plenty of pepper and uziza.
That is even the problem. My mother doesn't eat snail. Mancha.
No, but you eat this one. You prepare it yourself. It's simple.
Okay.
It's not difficult at all. You prepare it yourself.
It's okay. I'll try. I'll try. Okay, Mama, let me start going, eh? Okay. Remember, on Saturday, I'm coming back.
Early Saturday.
Plenty in-laws. Very early.
Mama, let me see you now.
Okay.
Mama. Okay, Mama. I'm coming back, eh?
Yes.
Okay, Mama.
Greet your mother for me. Mama, Ijelenga, ite banyego. Oh, banyego. Hey. Oba.
Stop right there! You almost ruined man.
What's going on? Huh? Do I look like the person that did this to you? 7 snails. 7 evil snails. Eat and become useless. Eat and become useless. And your life will be slower than that of a speed of a snail. Useless. Okay. Just stay here and wait for me, yeah? Thank God it won't be useless. Thank God it won't be. No, stay now. Stay. Useless. Useless, oh. Useless. Thank God you'll be useless. No, useless. 7 snails. No. Useless. No. 7 snails. 7 evil snails. Useless. No. And they said I won't have the best mother-in-law ever. Eh? Good woman. Because she knows I need blood. That's why she gave me this snail to eat it. So I will be calling her names. I'll package it to her now with better pepper and uziza. Follow it up with cold palmy. Let me know why. Blood will not come times 100. Even though I don't know how they peel all this. Okay, it's like this. One yama looking after me.
Obini talejune. Ichimebuomo, Obinala putamo, Obinate chunamo. Hey! Hey! Otachagwanu ngukwe mili la chefele Obinala putamo. Hey! Hey!
Hey, Ibusne!
Uncle, I want to ask you some questions. Am I not old enough to take decisions concerning my life and how I'm going to live it?
Of course you are.
Very good. Will you be the one to live with Chinyere when I marry her?
Mbano.
Very good. Chukudebegi. Am I not old enough to fight for my right and what I believe in?
Of course you are.
So why has my mother succeeded in convincing you people about her dreams? Why? See, Uncle, better get ready. You're following me to my in-laws' place on Saturday.
Obina,
I just don't want to talk.
Obina, I will not do that. I will not do that. Mamma, eh? Your father will be angry with me in his grave. Yeah, Mbano.
Okosime. Is that so? Ambassador of the dead. One. Two. You people are not two in this community. When you were sleeping with my mother, did it ever occur to you that my father will be angry with you in his grave?
Obina! Obina!
Biko. Let's not drag it though. Let's not drag it because you know I know what you know. Okay? I know what you know. Stop hiding it. Please take this drink. On Saturday, you're following me to my in-laws' place. Period. If you like, you get it. Ambassador.
If you know what I know, are you the one to sleep with your mother? It is my inheritance. It is my property. Hey!
Hey, come on, see my again. Hey, what a
By the time I got home, he has already eaten his name.
Mama, I think we should allow that boy to follow his heart.
What? What did I hear you say?
I said you should leave him to follow his heart.
Iche, what happened? Guinea Meg?
Mama, I've been thinking about this all this while. If you stop that boy from marrying that girl, his life will be in danger.
His life is already in danger. All we need to do is to bring him back and repair him. He no danger. All on a danger already.
Norma, if Ijere is from a bad family as you claim, they will certainly kill Obina. They will kill him from turning away from marrying their daughter. And you know what that means.
Hey. That means you're going with him, right?
But someone has to go with him.
Hey. Oh. I have finally lost the battle. What a man. It's all right. I will go home and wait for what becomes of him. Not so bad. Darling.
No problem, God.
Mama. Wow. Such a long day. These elders from this village are just something else. Let me even check the marriage list. Oh. Marriage right. This handwriting. Oh, okay, marriage right list, okay. 7 crates of beer. 7 crates of stout, 7 crates of malt. Yeah, 1 carton of soap. 10 bags of salt. What are they doing with 10 bags of salt? 1 he-goat. 7 heads of snuff. Oh, taba. And 21 gallons of palm wine. Wow, good stuff. At least this one is better than some villages in Imo State, where they will give you lesson note as marriage list. Mama, I will be going to Ijere's place tomorrow for the marriage rites. It will interest you to know that. Excuse me.
He will live to see his mistakes.
Hi.